Welcome back to Tech Guide, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're talking about a game-changing storage solution for enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals, the Samsung SSD 9100 Pro series. If you're looking for the ultimate in speed, performance, and reliability, then this is the SSD you've been waiting for. The Samsung SSD 9100 Pro series is one of the fastest PCIe 5.0 NVMe M.2 SSDs on the market. We're talking about insane speeds, with sequential read speeds up to 14,800 megabytes s, and write speeds up to 13,400 megabytes s. That's way faster than the average SSD you'll find in most systems. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or doing heavy-duty tasks, this drive will make your system feel like it's running on rocket fuel. What makes it stand out is its use of PCIe 5.0, the latest and fastest interface. The Samsung 9100 Pro series is available in capacities from 1 terabyte to 4 terabytes, and it's built with 236 layers Samsung VNAND TLC flash.
So you know you're getting excellent durability, speed, and performance. But let's break down what really sets this drive apart. Interface: PCIe 5.0x4, NVMe 2.0. Speed: sequential read-write, 14,800 megabytes s, 13,400 megabytes s. Random IPS, 2,200K read, 2,600K write. Security: AES 256-bit encryption and TCG Opal 2.0. Warranty 5 years. With PCIe 5.0, you're unlocking next-gen performance, and when you combine that with Samsung's VNAND technology, this drive is built to handle intensive workloads and long hours of use. Plus, it's got built-in security features to keep your data safe. Now, you might be wondering, is this SSD for me? If you're someone who demands the absolute best performance from their system, whether you're a gamer looking for faster load times, a video editor working with 4K or 8K footage, or a developer testing heavy applications, the Samsung 9100 Pro series will elevate your experience. For gamers, this SSD ensures faster load times and smoother gameplay, especially in open-world games or during intense multiplayer sessions. For professionals, it's perfect for working with large video files, running virtual machines, or even editing massive datasets. The 9100 Pro series is also future-proof with its PCIe 5.0 support, so if you're building a high-end system, this drive will serve you well for years to come. So how do you maximize performance with this SSD? Here are a few tips. 1. Ensure PCIe 5.0 compatibility. To achieve those insane speeds, make sure your motherboard and CPU support PCIe 5.0. 2. Use a heatsink. For those long gaming sessions or heavy editing, a heatsink can help manage the heat and maintain consistent performance. 3. Monitor with Samsung Magician. Keep track of your SSD's health and optimize your storage with the Samsung Magician software. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the Samsung SSD 9100 Pro series. If you're ready to take your system's performance to the next level, this SSD is a game changer. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you already use a Samsung SSD, or are you planning to upgrade? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next tech breakdown. Catch you in the next episode of Tech Guide.